All right, guys. So here's something nobody tells you about working from home full time. You notice everything, and I mean every single thing. That squeaky door hinge, it drives you crazy. That flickering light, you can't unsee it. And your bathroom. You're in there way more than you think, which is exactly why when I got the chance to check out this smart toilet system, I knew I had to dive deep into what makes it different. This is the DeerValley DV-1S0442 version 3 smart toilet system. And before you click away thinking this is weird, just give me 10 minutes because what I'm about to unbox and show you isn't just about a bathroom fixture. It's about the kind of innovation that can actually improve your daily life.
Hey guys, this is MHD Tech. And before starting the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and unboxings.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to MHD Tech. I'm your host, Nick. If you guys are new here, this channel is all about finding tech and innovations and genuinely improving your lifestyle. Not just add complexity, but today we're doing something a little different. We're going to dive into the DeerValley Smart Toilet System. Now I know what you're thinking, a toilet review? Really? But smart home tech is moving into every part of our lives, and the bathroom has been surprisingly overlooked. So today, I'm unboxing this complete system, showing you every feature, demonstrating how they work, and giving you my honest take on whether this kind of upgrade makes sense. If you want to see real-world tech breakdowns without the hype, go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's get into this unboxing. All right, moment of truth. Let's see what DeerValley has packed in here. First impressions, the packaging is seriously substantial. This is not cheap cardboard. Hear that? It's pretty solid. All right, so we got multiple layers of protection here, starting with the cardboard box. And then we got the foam layer. And honestly, it makes sense when you're shipping porcelain and electronics together. All right, let's get into the accessories compartment. First up, the instruction manual. It's about 21 pages long. The diagrams are pretty thought out and not too advanced. All right, next after that, this looks like the 2.4G controller. The buttons are fairly large. The images are pretty clear, so anyone can use it in your family, and you don't have to worry about your mom or your dad, your grandparents calling you every 5 minutes on how to use this thing, which I can definitely appreciate. All right, and then we move on to the filter. The filter is very important. It ensures the water is cleaner than your general tap water. It ensures everything is purified and you're not having rough, nasty water all over your body, which is very important. And now, the best part, the battery pack. This ensures that no matter what happens in your house, the power goes out, you lose a connection. Your toilet isn't just manual bucket flushing. You can still use it how you wanted it to be intended for. And finally, we have the hardware. This looks like gaskets, angle valves, screws, anchors, everything you need for a professional installation in your home without all the hassle of having someone to come and put it together for you, which I can really appreciate. This honestly might take you less than an hour to do, but after all that, now it's time for us to get into the main event, the smart toilet. So, after kind of checking it out, looking around, let's talk build quality. This porcelain, it feels premium. It's solid, the weight, all of it has perfect finish. There's no imperfections, no rough spots. And this nano glaze right here is sleek and smooth. Water, buildup, anything else just slides right off. You can really see how effective DeerValley wanted this to be for you. And It's aesthetically pleasing to look at. The engineering is amazing. Now, let's look at the height of this thing. It's ADA standard, a little bit taller than normal toilets, and that makes a huge difference if you got some knee issues, mobility concerns, or an elderly user. There's less strain, it's easier to sit, and easier to stand. So, let's get into some of the features. Look how everything is cohesive. The lid, the toilet seat, and even the control panel. It's clean. There's no lines throughout, and even the motion sensors on the front and on the toilet seat itself, you can't even really see them. They're perfectly hidden to make this look very clean. Now, the wires, nothing's exposed. There's no annoying or bulky accessories. Everything is very smooth to look at. All right, we've covered a ton of features and I've shown you how everything works, but here's what actually matters. After examining this system, what stands out most? Out of everything, my favorite features are the seat sensors and of course, the heated seats with seasonal adjustments. The auto open close, I love it. It provides peace of mind knowing my hands are germ-free, and of course the heated seats because it represents the perfect intersection of comfort and smart automation. And honestly, it just works. It's consistent without you thinking about it, but what impresses me most is how all these features work seamlessly together. It's not about having the longest spec sheet. It's about thoughtful design that actually improves your daily life. The auto open lid, the smart flush, the wash and dry system, the backup power. Individually, they're nice, but together, when you take all of these, it makes one cohesive experience. All right, so real talk, is a smart toilet worth considering? For me, seeing how this technology genuinely works, its improvement it offers over traditional fixtures, absolutely yes. This isn't about being flashy or over the top. It's about removing small everyday frustrations and adding comfort. Now, I'm not saying everyone needs to run out and upgrade immediately, but if you've been curious about smart bathroom tech, if you value comfort and hygiene in your daily routine, or if you're planning a bathroom renovation, this is honestly worth considering. Now, all the details, specs, and links are in the description below. I've also included my discount code, which gets you at least 15% off if you decide this is right for you. If you found this deep dive helpful, leave a like. If you want more real-world tech reviews that actually go in depth, subscribe to MHD and hit that notification bell. Drop a comment with your thoughts. I'm honestly pretty curious about what you guys think about this bathroom technology. Thank you for watching, and this completes the unboxing and feature demonstration, and I'll see you in the next one.